Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Rockstar Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sodastream and sharing with you how to use it, how to ensure you don't have any issues or spills like I have had in the past, and how to utilize it to make the best tasting carbonated beverages, essentially making your own soda or carbonated beverages at home. So first thing you need to know is the nice thing about this unit, the Sodastream, is it's wireless. There's no electrical components. You can pick it up, you can put it anywhere. It's portable, basement, game room, whatever, kitchen, wherever it may be. The back compartment here, this pops off. I'm trying to remember how that's done. There we go, the top. And this is the CO2 tank in the back. It's a massive CO2 tank, and you can actually refill this at Target, believe it or not. So that CO2 is what's giving you the carbonation in your water. So that's why there's no electrical components. It's literally the pressure from the carbon dioxide container in the back. So you just put that top back on, push it down, and then pop it in on the top. And so what you want to do is you're going to fill up the bottle that they give you. There's actually a fill line on that bottle. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the bottle that you get, you'll see there's a fill line. So you don't want to go above that fill line because you will spill your water over the top if you do. So you open that up, and what you do is this thing right here pops open, okay? And this is very important to get the best carbonation and to not spill. So this pops open 1-2 times. Once that pops open, you take this and you put it in there and you push it up slightly, okay? So watch. So you push it up to the point where it's literally holding itself, and I can put my hand under here, and it's locked in. Once it's locked in, whoops, see, even touching a little bit, it'll fall off. And that's the one downside about this unit. It's a little bit finicky to get it in sometimes. See what I mean? So you push it in, you close it. Once it's closed, it should be hanging. There'll be room underneath this bottle, and that's the one downside I would say, is it's a little bit finicky in that way. But then what you want to do is you push the button at the top. You can push it 3 to 5 times, and 3 times is going to be less carbonation, 4 or 5 times is going to be more carbonation, obviously. So if you want more fizzy, 5 times, less fizzy, 3, even 2 times, depending on what you like. And the trick is when you push this button at the top, you want to ensure that you hear a almost like whistling sound at the end, and that's when you let go of the button and you let the fizz or the carbonation settle, and then you push it again. So I'll show you as an example. Watch this. Did you hear that at the end? And you let it settle? Did you hear that how it changes at the end? So you do that 3 to 5 times, and then you pull it out. It's the same thing. You pull it out. You'll actually hear that carbonation, and you pop it out, and you have your carbonated water. Now, you can take this and do with it what you want. I personally like adding like a citrus fruit, so lemons, limes, pouring this in a cup, adding the lime or lemon there, squeezing it in there, mixing it up, and then I personally use in like stevia. Now, this is a specific stevia. It's not that powdered packet cheap stevia you get at the store. This is much higher quality. It's a stevia along with organic glycerin. It's a flax-based glycerin, so it's very healthy. This stevia in particular is the healthiest stevia I found. It doesn't change your blood sugar levels at all. It doesn't change your glycemic index. So if you're looking for a healthy soda or a healthy fizzy drink option, these are your best bets. So they have a plain flavor. So if you're doing citrus fruits, I would just recommend plain as a sweetener with the citrus fruits. They have a vanilla flavor. So if you want to do something with vanilla, like a creamy whatever, fizzy whatever, vanilla is amazing. And then they have a butterscotch. And then they have a sweet blossom one. I don't have that one here. But you literally use 1, 2, maybe 3 drops of this in your beverage, tops. And this bottle is going to last you months. And you're going to have the best tasting, different flavored soda. You can, like I said, butterscotch, vanilla, plain. Sweet blossom is the flower, I believe, from the orange tree. Don't quote me on that. But it's a sweet sort of floral flavor. But if you have the carbonated beverage with as the base, the lemon or lime as the sort of citrus element, and then you can sweeten it in different ways. I mean, you can literally just mix the carbonated water with vanilla stevia, and you have like a vanilla soda, or a butterscotch soda, or the sweet blossom soda, or plain sweet, soda, or you can add the citrus fruit and do that as well. So there's different ways of going about it. But the Sodastream is amazing. The things I would recommend here are, you can sweeten it in different ways. These are the best sweeteners I have found, these stevias. So I'll put a link to them below with a discount code. It's 10% off. Actually, the code is Healthy Wild Free. And then additionally, I have a link that I got from Sodastream, and I think you get like 20% off the Sodastream. So I'll put that in the description below. That's just a benefit for you. But the stevia I highly recommend because it's the healthiest way to not increase your blood sugar levels yet still have a sweet tasting drink. So if you're trying to get over soda or pop as we call it in Michigan, you definitely want to get something like that. And then additionally, the water that you put into it matters. I would recommend purified, reverse osmosis, or distilled water. So if you're looking to have a higher quality, healthier water, oddly enough, this company that makes the stevia, they also have multiple really great water filters for your home, so you have cleaner water. So you want to have clean water. I wouldn't recommend tap water. I would recommend purified, reverse osmosis, or distilled. So that's the Sodastream review. I hope you enjoyed it. This unit's amazing. It's a good way to make soda at home and have healthier drinks with healthier water, healthier sweeteners, and you can make it at any time, and you're not wasting all these bottles and all this plastic. So it's healthier for you, it's healthier for the planet, and it all works. So I'll put all these links below with discount codes. They'll save you some money and support your health in the new year. Make sure to follow Healthy Wild Free on Instagram and YouTube for my health and wellness content, and this channel for health and wellness reviews. Cheers.